Karnataka, the brutal Neha Hiramath murder, which took place in Hubballi, has not just become a political standoff between the BJP and the Congress in this election. It is also an issue that is on the top of voters' mind as they head to polling stations on May 7 to cast their vote as well. Here is a report from Hubballi on how this can be a major swing factor in this particular election season. Listen in to that exclusive round report that we have got for you.
Enter Hubballi, and the cityscape is dotted with posters of Neha Hiramath, the 23-year-old college student who was brutally stabbed to death in broad daylight by her former classmate Fayaz Khondunaik on April 18. Tall posters that say Justice to Neha Niranjan Hiramath have the young girl in a traditional blue sari, and a couple of posters in casual clothing portray how free-spirited she was, seen along the way to her home. Though the Siddaramaiah-led Congress government set up an SIT to probe into Neha's murder, in this time of Lok Sabha elections, the issue around Neha's murder has become a political standoff between the BJP and the Congress.
मैं ऑलरेडी अपना राज्य सरकार को डिमांड किया था कि मेरे को फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट बनाना है 90 से 120 दिन में सुरजेवाला जी ने बता के गए, वैसे ही मेरे को कोर्ट अनाउंस कर दिया। अभी और एक मैंने इसी नेहा हिरामथ के नाम से एक रूल बनना है, एक कायदा बनाना है कि ऐसी जो घटनाएं होती है, जो ऐसे विकृत मनोभावने जो लोग रहते हैं 90 से 100 दिन में उनका भी केस ख़त्म होना है, ताकि समाज में कोई भी औरत बिंदास 24 घंटा बाहर जा सकते हैं दिन रात को।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah met with Neha's parents during his visit to Hubballi to participate in a public campaign for the BJP Lok Sabha candidate Prahlad Joshi at the city's Nehru grounds. All that Neha's family is demanding is justice for their daughter.
ನಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೂರವಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗಲ್ಲು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವಳು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವನು ಕೊಂದಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗಲ್ಲು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮದಿದೆ ಒಂದೇ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ.
Just hours before the meeting, Karnataka Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao met Neha's family and assured justice.
The perpetrator of this crime, he should be definitely punished, and Chief Minister also has come over and many other leaders have come, irrespective of political parties, all have come, and even other people also. What is the reason, intention, or there anybody else with him in this? So all that CID will have to inquire, and so definitely I will also from my side also bring this to the notice of Chief Minister and our Home Minister, and see that investigation is effective and done in a quick manner.
The issue resonated even in Prime Minister Modi's public address in Belgavi on April 28. Blaming the Congress for its appeasement politics, the Prime Minister said that the ruling party in Karnataka has been encouraging a mindset that is dangerous for Karnataka and the country.
उस बेटी का परिवार एक्शन की मांग करता रहा, उनके लिए नेहा जैसी बेटियों की जिंदगी की कीमत नहीं है, उनको तो अपने वोट बैंक की चिंता है.
In Hubballi, the Neha case has now become an issue that people think will also affect how their votes will swing. Political analysts too confirm that Neha's killing has now been capitalized by political parties, especially the BJP, to consolidate votes in the region.
So even I do consider that before casting a vote, because it's not only about whatever the government has given, like especially to women for free buses, the services. I don't think that is actually necessary. Okay, so because of that, government is undergoing too much of loss. But where is women's security? So government has to take certain measures wherein they can protect women.
In neighbouring Belgavi Lok Sabha seat, where former Karnataka CM and BJP leader Jagdish Shettar is contesting, the Neha case also comes up as part of the poll pitch.
No, we have not at all made it a political issue. Definitely public has started thinking about it. When Congress government policies, Congress party policy is that appeasement of the Muslim, appeasement of the minorities. Because of appeasement of the minority politics, that Fayaz has got the capacity, got the guts to murder Neha in college premises. Because of love jihad, it is all based on the love jihad. So BJP is not making it a political issue.
Around 170 kilometers away from Hubballi, Anjali Nimbalkar, Congress's Lok Sabha candidate from the coastal seat of Uttar Kannada, also speaks on the subject.
And I think Siddaramaiah government has taken swift action against the culprit, and they have ordered the investigation also promptly. But there are certain people in BJP, not certain, the whole BJP party, like to politicize these issues during elections, and they unnecessary try to polarize things, bring on the Hindutva factor, whereas it is an incident which is very unfortunate and should not have happened to any girl child in the country.
Neha Hiremath's parents are making a demand, just like after the Nirbhaya case, a law was made. A law should also be made in Neha's name to deter brutality against women. Because in case such cases do happen again, then the strictest punishment should be accorded to the accused. Now this election season, Neha Hiremath's murder case is also at part of election campaigns as well. We've seen political parties talking about it, political leaders talking about it. We've also seen how Prime Minister Narendra Modi also has addressed this issue in public functions across the country and talked about how there's a law and order breakdown in Karnataka under the Congress rule as well. When he spoke to voters, they also say that guarantees are being given, but where is a guarantee for safety for women? With Vijay Abhilash Rohini Swami in Hubli for CNN News 18.